Hi friend, if your Instagram app not working or not opening or keeps stopping problem or Instagram app caching, then how to fix? So let's get started. To fix this problem, first of all go to your Play Store and search by Instagram. If you have available update, then up to date. After updating, on time back and install any VPN. I have already installed an VPN. You can install any VPN. After installing VPN, go back and go to settings and go to apps and notifications. That means you go to app list according to your device settings and search by Instagram. Click on Instagram. You will see like this interface, or you can get this interface in another way. Simply press and hold on the app and click on this icon or app info. You will get this interface. Now click on storage and simply clear the storage data. Now go to back, connect your VPN. After connecting VPN, log in your account. Guys, hope your problem will be solved. If this method not working, you can follow another method to fix this problem. For that, simply uninstall your recent apps and open any browser and search by Instagram older version. And from here download any older version. After downloading, install it. Now open the apps and log in your account. Guys, hope your problem will be solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.